doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and today I have a super fun and easy project to decorate any wall in your home or office or wherever you would like to put it. It's basically a gallery kind of thing that you can do with very economic materials that you probably already have at home. So if you would like to learn how to make this beautiful and easy project, keep watching the video. To make our gallery, we will need a wooden stick of the size and color of your preference. In this case, I am using black and white tones, but you can use whatever colors you prefer. Pictures, mine are 4 by 4 inches, rope or ribbon, foamy, ruler, scotch tape, scissors, a hole punch, and a marker that contrasts with the color of the foamy. First, we will trace 3 triangles in the foamy, and in this case I'll make 2 that are 4 inches base and 3.5 inches high, and 1 of 4 inches base and 4.5 inches high as shown in the video. Once they're ready, we punch a hole in the upper center of each one, and as an option you can decorate them with the marker in whatever way you want until we have something like this. To build our gallery, first we must know what design we want to make. In this case, mine will have 3 rows with 3 pictures each and a triangle at the end of each row. We take our wooden stick, we mark the middle point, and taking one of the ends of the rope, we tie it to the middle point we marked. Afterwards, we take the 3 pictures that are going on this row and we turn them over to secure each one to the string, placing a piece of scotch tape to the back of the photo as shown. And once we secure all the photos, we tie one of the triangles to the end of the rope. It is very important to make sure that all the pictures are straight and center, as well as making sure there is the same distance between each photo and between the wooden stick and the first photo and the last photo and the foamy triangle, if that makes sense. Once the first row is ready, we repeat this process with the other rows, making sure to measure the distance between each row so it is symmetrical. Once all the rows are done, our gallery is gonna look something like this. And to be able to hang it, we tie another piece of rope to each end of the wooden stick as shown in the video, leaving a little loose piece on the top to hang it. And we cut the excess and then we hang it on the wall. And with these easy and inexpensive steps, you can customize your own gallery and give a super cute and modern touch to your space, which surely everyone will love. And that is the final result for our gallery wall. As you can see, it's very easy and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe down below, because I upload videos every single week. And you also help me a lot if you share this video with your loved ones. I really appreciate. But as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!